How to fix Instagram photos not uploading problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram photos not uploading problem. So dear friends, if you like the video and if it is helpful for you, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So what you have to do is just go to, first of all you have to go to your Google Play Store. After going to Google Play Store, search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, what you have to do is, if they are asking for an update here, if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram. So I have already updated, so I will show you what to do next. So guys, I will just upload one picture here, random picture. I will click on random picture and let me try to update it. So just share it, and you can see here they are asking for will auto pause when possible. So I'm finding this difficult. You're finding difficult to upload a picture. So what you have to do is, first of all, make sure that your internet connection is on. And the second step is you have to go to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, just scroll down and go to app management. After going to app management, what you have to do is scroll down and search for Instagram. Here is it, Instagram. So just click to Instagram and then you have to click to force stop. Just click here and then you have to stop the force. Now after doing this, you have to click here, storage uses. After clicking here, just press here, clear all the data. So after clearing all the data, what you have to do is click here on permission. So just click on permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. Yes, I have already allowed it. I'm just showing this because to help your problem. So now after doing this, I will show you how to upload your picture in different ways. Just go to your gallery, phone gallery, and then go to album, and let me take one picture. I will take one picture this, and then what you have to do is just click on the on the send button. You can see here send button. Just click here and then you have to click on Instagram icon fit. Click here and then just click on the right arrow. Here you can see here, just click here and then click to next and then just share it. So let's see, just yeah, here you can see we can upload a picture in this way. So this is how you can fix Instagram photos not uploading problem. Thanks for watching.